HGreg, honest review and user experience of this car dealer website. Buying a car online can feel overwhelming, but HGreg promises an easy, transparent experience. I tested it personally, and here's my honest review. Most people assume online car dealers are just like traditional dealerships but less trustworthy. The surprising truth is HGreg combines the convenience of browsing cars online with professional dealership support, making the process surprisingly smooth. Navigating the website is simple. You can filter by make, model, your price, and even mileage. Each listing includes detailed photos, vehicle history, and financing options. I found it easy to compare cars side by side, which saves time and reduces the stress of physically visiting multiple dealerships. The buying process is straightforward. Once I found a car, I could request a quote or schedule a test drive online. HGreg also offers trade-in estimates and financing calculators, giving a complete view of costs upfront. Their customer support was responsive and informative, answering questions about warranties, fees, and delivery. The downside? Prices sometimes fluctuate, and inventory can vary by location, so not every car you see online may be available locally. Also, while the website is user-friendly, the checkout process can feel slightly slower compared to instant online marketplaces. In conclusion, HGreg is a reliable and convenient platform for buying or trading vehicles online. Its detailed listings, transparent pricing, and supportive customer service make it a strong choice for anyone looking to buy a car without the usual hassle of a dealership visit. If you want a smoother, modern car buying experience, HGreg is worth checking out.